This is my Notion planner. My planner is based on book 12 Weeks Year. 12 Weeks Year is a method to set your goals. This method helps you plan your next months to achieve goals. This method will help you convert your goals into action steps. You have to set 2 or 3 goals and work on them for 12 weeks. First database that we have here in this template is the vision. So now we can go to vision page. Here is life area evaluation. You need to decide how happy you are with every part. For example, for travel, if I change 5 and self, I'm very happy, so I change 10. So you can see automatically this part will be changed. And here you can set a vision for your life. So how do you want to look your family life and so on. So you can do it for every part. And here is like planning a phase. It's very important. And first you need to write about your aspiration vision, and here your 3 years vision. This is very important because this is going to guard all your goals for next 3 months. And now we can come back to our home page. We can do it by clicking this link home. The second database that we have here is goals. First, you need to define your goals. Define your 3 or 4 most important goals that you want to achieve in the next 12 weeks. So this is examples for goals. You can work on this one or create a new one. If you want to create new one, just click new page. And now you can add name of your goal, start and date. Every goal template have 3 sections: planning, task, and reflection. Inside a planning section, you always gonna have these questions. Next section is tasks. So here you need to add all tasks which you need to finish if you want to achieve your goals. So we have task, due date, and the 12 weeks plan. So when you're planning a goal, you need to allocate each task to a specific week. To do it, you need to click here and you need to choose which week it will be. For example, first week, click plus. Always you can change it. To change it, so just click this one and click on link page. I choose new one. But in this example, we come back to first week. So you need to do it for every task. In first tab, you can see all tasks. Second, task in every week. And last view, it shows you only this task which you need to do. Here you can change name for your goals. Next, you want to set the date, start and end date. End date, remember you need to count 12 weeks. So we have like start date and end date. Click this, and now here we have a progress bar. It syncs with this all task. So when you check things off, it automatically populates the progress bar. For example, I finish this task. Check, and you can see progress bar is changed. And last section is reflection. So you need to do it after 12 weeks. You should do a review to see what actually worked and what's not. This is very important database because it tells you exactly what need to get done in every single week. Inside each week, you're gonna have 3 sections: planning, execution, and reflection. So for beginning, you need to select start and end date. Here you also see like progress bar. Progress bar depends on the number of tasks complete. So here you have planning section. So here you need to add all tasks. Like you see, some tasks already have goal assigned. Because if you go, for example, here in fitness and create new task, and assign this task to first week. So now when you come back to first week database, you will see this task here. If you want to create a new task, just click new page. And now you can choose goals. So the list of these goals is coming from this database. So every time when you finish one task, you can check it, and now you can see this progress bars is also changed. In this tab, you can see all done task, and here all task. And last section is reflection section. So after every week, you should do a review to see actually what worked and what not. In second tab, you can see progress overview for every week. And here you can see calendar view with a list of all tasks. So this is navigation. So you can go also to commitment page and database page. Database, this is very important. Never delete this database because all template depends on this database, so like never delete it. And here you can see all tasks which you need to do in current in this week. Also here you have an automatic widget that show you progress bar for each month, quarter, and year. So it shows you how much time is left in current like week, day, month, and year. And here you can find a habit tracker for every week.